In today's Divi news, we're going to talk about the latest Divi update called Divi Rollback. Today's tutorial is brought to you by divicake.com. Check out their huge selection of Divi themes, layouts, and plugins. The link is in the description below. So you've been working on your website and you've done quite a lot of updates and everything seems to be working fine. And then you see a Divi update and then you decide, okay, let me go ahead and update. And then things break. Now, I'm sure you've come across this problem before. Surely I did. But this can be very, very frustrating if you haven't been doing any backups. And different hosting companies do offer different backup services. Like, for example, WP Engine, they have different snapshots where you can just roll back easily. But this may not be the case with quite a lot of you out there. So this feature will solve that problem. Now, before I talk about how this feature works and how you can get it working on your website, let's talk about the possibilities of what could be wrong here. So sometimes things may go wrong with your website. It may not necessarily be Divi. It may be a conflict with the plugin that you are using, which may not be working well with Divi. And sometimes these things cannot be avoided. I've also had similar problems with LearnDash. For some reason, things were not working well with the Divi theme, so I had to switch over and use a different theme and the Divi builder instead. So these things happen, but of course, you cannot predict how it would work in your situation because everyone uses different plugins. So the best process or what you need to do in the event that your Divi theme is causing problems is to roll back. Now, once you've rolled back, this is where you can go back and take a look at which plugin is causing the problem and then wait for that plugin to update, and then you can update Divi and then you're back up and running again. So let me show you where to get this update and how you can get this update. So first of all, you want to come to your admin dashboard and then over here, you click on updates. Now, sometimes you may not see this one here, so you need to click here on update. So this just basically refreshes your page and pulls down that update from Elegant Themes. So here it is. You need to make sure that you update to 3.6. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click on update themes. Okay, so we can see here Divi has been updated successfully. And if you want, you can go and take a look at the details there, but I don't normally go there. Okay, so next, what you want to do now is to go to Divi, click on theme options, and then you want to go to updates. Okay, so now you see this button here, which says roll back to previous version. Now, this only works if you've added your username and API key. If you haven't added that, then this won't work. So all you have to do now is to click on rollback. So right now we're running Divi 3.6. Now, before you go ahead and start using this feature, please note, this feature only works from version 3.6 onwards. So if you update now and you try to go to version 3.5, which is your currently previous one, that wouldn't work. So moving on from this latest update, version 3.6, you'll be able to roll back. Today's episode is brought to you by divicake.com. Check out their huge selection of Divi themes, layouts, and plugins. The link is in the description below. So that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. And if you're new to WordPress, I have a free course which you can go ahead and enroll right away by clicking the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.